we do the interflow before the tack fit, right? And so
Right.
you do like and also it's skill building, right? You want to do the thing slow, and then you speed it up with time for your brain to connect to the body, right? So that makes sense. Walking slow.
Yeah, think one of the main things was that the nervous system moves up, and it just activates so much. So it's
Helps with the spatial awareness, right? The proprioception.
yeah, I've been doing
where you
that.
are.
I've been going about a mile and a half every night, and I'm gonna start pushing it a little further. But I'm doing a mile and a half in a pair of flip flops.
Slow motion.
I used
speed.
to jog with flip flops on, and but as soon as it gets a little colder, I'm gonna put work boots on, and I'll start hiking back where you did that overnight thing over there.
Yeah.
I can start going back in there. I want my distance walking and jogging through there, get my balance going through the rocks and stuff. And even if next year I figure if I get to a point where the pain could pass, or I have pain but I could still compete, then it won't even bother me. It's like that time when I jumped on that guy's back and I was trying to choke him out.
Yeah.
I was running to the competition to get there. They had an extension cord like that going. I catch it, I go flying. I hit the ground.
Before the match.
My neck's killing me. What's his name? Benny, little Benny. He's over. He's massaging me like crazy. And I went up on the mat and it just totally didn't think about it, and ended up on the guy's back. If I knew a little bit more, he would have got choked out right. But yeah, it's. I feel when you compete, and I think I basically learned that from getting hit in the ring. You can't let it bother you, unless your jaw gets locked up and you can't move. And I've had that happen. I got hit with a left hook once, and my whole jaw just went. It locked.
Yeah, you're in the fight, right?
When you're fighting
in it,
full
you're
contact.
in it. Yeah.
But if you go in with the mentality, I think in any sport, whether it's basketball, football, you're not going to be great if you think you're going to get hurt. If you're worried about getting hurt, walking onto the field, whether it's soccer, whether it's football, basketball, you're boxing in the ring, jiu-jitsu. Yeah, I talk to kids here, and I say, oh, you got to fight. You got competition coming up. Yeah, I'm really nervous. And I go, he says, don't get nervous. I just go out there and do it. If you're going to be nervous about it, it's going to take away from your mindset. That's my belief.
Yeah, for being present, for being in the moment, right?
Yeah.
If you're focused on the outcome rather than
you make mistakes sometimes. That guy's back I climbed up on, like he ended up slamming me on the ground. The referee comes over, I'm laying there, and he goes, and I was stupid because if I would have said, no, I'm not all right, he would have been disqualified and I would have got the gold. But I said, yeah, and my ego hit me, and I go, yeah, I'm okay, and I got up, and that was the end of that. But it's, you can't let it bother you. You can't let it bother you.